In this video, I will show you how to add a PIN code, fingerprint or Face ID in Zangi app. Simply open up Zangi app. Now in the bottom right corner, you will see your setting gear. Click on it. Now if you scroll down below here, you can find privacy. Click on it. Then click on passcode lock and fingerprint. Then turn on passcode lock. From here, set up a passcode. Confirm your passcode and your passcode has been set. Now to turn on fingerprint, here you can see unlock with fingerprint. Turn this toggle on. After that, your fingerprint will also be turned on. You can simply change the passcode at any time when you click on change passcode. Enter your previous passcode, then enter a new passcode, confirm it, and that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.